How to change duration of all photos in the Filmora app. If you have been using Filmora for editing your videos and photos and don't know how to change the duration or time of the photo, then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photos that you want to edit, just like this. Now to change the duration of the photos, tap onto the photo itself, just like this on the timeline, just right here. Tap on it. Now to change the duration, here we can see it is 3 seconds right now. Now to change it, tap onto this arrow button right here and simply slide it to your left or right, just like this. And now you can see it has been now 5.2 seconds of the duration of the photo. Now do the same process, just like this. And now you can see the duration has been changed. Now do the same process to other photos, just like this. And now you can see the duration of the photos has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change duration of all photos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.